Hey YouTube family, this is Mika Coleman with Tax Deed and Overage Education. If you're new to my channel, I only talk about tax deed investing and tax deed overages, which is also known as excess proceeds. And today I want to talk about a secret strategy that not a lot of people talk about, which is something that really, at the end of the day, a lot of people think that real estate is like oversaturated. But with this specific niche that I'm really going to talk about today is excess proceeds. And I like to tell people that this is a niche where there is no cash required, no banks required, and no contractors, ghosting you like a bad date, okay? This is strictly filing paperwork to get cash. And so today I want to talk about this secret strategy and different things that you can do to start in this business. But first I want to talk about what I feel like some of my competitors or some people talk about is they'll tell you that you have to be an attorney, and you do not have to be an attorney. You do not have to have a real estate license, and you really honestly do not have to have real estate experience to do this niche. Literally all you need is research, knowing how to file documents, and persistence. I tell people those are like the three most important things I believe you need in this business to succeed. And you'll hear me say this throughout some of my other videos, because I realize there are people that dibble and dabble in different niches. And I think that's why this business is not saturated, because if you're a dibbler and a dabbler, then bye-bye. This business is not for you. I'd say if you do decide to do one of my masterminds where I walk you from A to B, I give you everything that you need. So I take all the guesswork and I show you strategy, compliance, step by step, and I'm giving you actual verified leads to do, then I promise you, you can go to any other county and rinse and repeat. I think a lot of people show you how to like get a list, and I'm going to talk about that in my next video. I'm going to show you like 5 simple steps on what you can do so that you can verify and know that this business is actually legit. Because at the end of the day, I think a lot of people, even myself, when I first started, I was like, this is too good to be true, until I got like my first check, and I was like blown away. For some of those that don't know me, I've been in real estate for 20 years and I am still blown away in regards to how much income potential this business offers, with what I like to say a return of infinite return of $11.90. The reason why I say $11.90 is because literally that's how much it costs me to literally mail in documents to get sometimes a 6-figure check. I mean, they range from, 20,000 on up to 100,000. And for those that, if you watch some of my videos, I go and explain, I do not get all of that money. Some of that does go to the client, but I do get a percentage. And I'm just here to tell you that this is such a great niche for those that have wanted to enter into the real estate space and you're just curious about it. I just kind of wanted to go over some things and kind of tell you why this is such a secret strategy, because there are billions of dollars to collect, and a lot of people will tell you, or you might think that this is oversaturated, but it really isn't, because it does require work. I always tell people the least money that's required is going to have something on the back end that is going to require more of your work. But I will do this all day and every day, because when I tell you I've done fix and flips, wholesale, I didn't done it all, and this is like one of the less stressful niches that you can do that doesn't require you to go to a bank, have credit, and get qualified. Just simply knowledge, strategy, and compliance. And I think compliance is one of the most important things, because you want to comply with what the counties require of you. And I think, of course, a lot of people say, can I do this on my own? Can I figure this out? Absolutely. You can do that. But once again, I was walking today this morning and I wanted to write, I couldn't really decide on how I wanted to talk about this video, but what I really wanted to say was like, dang, this strategy is really simple. And I was like, what stops most people from doing anything or going further in their life? And as I was walking this morning and I was listening to this YouTube video, and it made me realize that a lot of times we try to figure things out on our own. And for people that know me, I'm really like into health. I really like to work out. And I just realized every time I've reached my weight loss goal, I've had a coach, right? And what I realized is that a coach will push you beyond your limits. And I'm not trying to like push my like program, because I'm going to give you guys video. If you look at some of my content, I give a lot of information because I do believe that some people can figure it out on their own. I get on calls sometimes and people say, you're not even trying to sell me. Well, sometimes I don't think people necessarily need it. But this business, or people that want to get into my program, I think it's for people that just don't understand, or they want to get to their goal faster. And so what I wanted to say in like this video is that oftentimes you do need a coach, because there are certain things that you just may not be able to figure out on your own. Every county can be slightly different, but I am here to tell you, the students that are doers, they're able to go into other counties after my mastermind, which I do only do like a specific county. So you don't get to pick the county. It's a county that I know that's tried, true, and tested, and they're verified claims. A lot of times I've had people contact me from other courses and like, how do you find a list? And I'm like, lists are easy. So that's my next video. I'm going to do like, basically tell you 5 steps on how to get a list in the next video. But what I wanted to cover in this video is, this strategy is, to me, is like still like a secret strategy, because there's over billions of dollars of checks that are sitting in government agencies waiting for people like you and me to collect. And literally, like I said before, the only thing that requires is knowledge. So the only thing that is keeping you from making, however much you want from a 6 to 7 figure is the knowledge. There's no cash required. There is no credit required. All it is knowledge, compliance, and persistence. Like literally, that's all you need in this business. And what I wanted to also say is, as I was listening to this video this morning, is I was like, I'll be completely honest. And I think you guys, people that are watching this video, probably know this. I don't know about you, but I've bought programs. Like right now, I bought this program on like AI, and I go back and forth, and it's so overwhelming that I keep like saying I'm gonna do that later. But I say that all to say, I think the biggest barrier in this business, and I kind of wanted to do this video on that's why it's not saturated, but I was like, no, I want to talk about, I still feel like this is a hidden niche, because I feel like a lot of people give up within the first 30 days. And I was listening to this video, and it was saying that a lot of people don't get to their goal because of their mindset. They start planting the seeds, but they don't wait for the harvest. And I guess what I want you to get from this video, and if you do decide to move forward, whether working with me or trying to figure this niche out on your own, is don't give up in the planting season. Do not give up. I always tell people, give it 90 days. I had another student, he like literally within the 90 days, I think he was in the 60-day mark, and he's like, Mika, I have more clients than I can handle right now. And I was like, that's a good problem. But what I really loved was that he was able to go into other counties that I didn't teach him. He took my county that I taught him in the mastermind, and he applied that same knowledge into and several different other counties, and he was able to hit. Like when I first started, I had another student. He went in a county I never even heard about, and when I tell you he hit everybody on that list, he hit everybody on the list. And I think that's like another caveat, is that there's like over 3,000 something counties. So I rarely doubt that a lot of people, this business will be unsaturated. But I do have to say this, there are some big institutions that do this, and of course they go after the big ones, but there's tons of grandma claims, like, and what I call grandma claims are like, the 18 to like 25,000. I don't know about you, but $10,000 could make a difference in someone's household or their income. And so I always tell people sometimes don't go after the big ones. Go after the big ones, but start small so you can make the mistakes on the small ones and then go up to the bigger ones. However, in my mastermind, it's not big or small. I basically let everybody go. I try to have at least, 2 or 3 or 4 6-figure claims in my masterminds when I'm doing them. But that's the thing about this business also too. It's like I don't have a golden ball to tell you what's actually going to be the overage amounts, because that's controlled by the auction and the county. However, the good thing about this is you can get 4 or 5 leads and make an easy $50,000 just in one county. So anyway, I just wanted to talk about, this is one of the best secret real estate niche that I still feel like it's, every time I speak somewhere or talk about it, I feel like people are like wowed because it's not heard of. But in my next video, I'm gonna make sure I do it. It's gonna talk about 5 simple steps that it's proven. I'm going to tell you how to do it and you're going to be like, wow. And so I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm going to show you the proof in the pudding without me like sitting over here talking about it. I'm just going to show you on my computer about how you can go about doing this in 5 simple steps. Anyway, hope you like this video. If you are interested in knowing more or wanting to join my mastermind, which is coming up in March of 2026, my first one of the year, which is probably going to be my last one at that price, click the link below and I look forward to you joining. Happy investing.